Hello and welcome to the second video of the series. So in this video we are going to talk about how we can set up $1 Shopify store. So for that you can go to Shopify website. So just go to shopify.com. So here now you can go to pricing, and if you will scroll down here you will see get your first 3 month for $1 by month. So for the first 3 months you will be only charged $1 by month, and then after that you will be charged for like $25 per month if you have more than 1000 inventory locations, which I don't think at start you will have. So if that's the case, then you can use the premium plans. And the good news is that you can start for free and you will not be charged for the first 3 days, and there will be no credit card required as well. So if you want to do that, just enter your email over here. So I can enter my email and we can click on start free trial. So here you can select the option whichever you want, or you can just click on skip all. And here you will have to enter your country and you can click on next. So now you can sign up. You can use Google or any other method to sign up, whichever you want. I want to use Google, so I will use it. So it says creating your account. So we will need to wait a little bit. Shopify is building our store. So here you can see we are in the admin dashboard now, and we can see our store by clicking on this view button. So here you can see it says something went wrong and shop has no theme. Okay, so we have successfully set up the website, but we have not installed the theme. So in the next video we will see how we can install a theme and fix this thing. So thank you for watching this video. You can like to this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment on this video if you like the first video. So the winner of the giveaway is CryptoWood. So if you are watching the video, please contact me. So I will give you the free giveaway. And if you want to be part of the giveaways, then you will have to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel so you can see who will be the next winner. So thank you for watching the video. See you next time.